I made some, well, a couple years ago, I made a hamburger and a hot dog fast food embed, extruder this as a hot dog, it's a hamburger. And at that time, a little after I made that, I also made a hot, French fries and soda drink and a ice cream cone, but I never tested them, and they've been sitting there for 2 years now. So I finally tested them and I love them. They're super cute, but then I didn't know what to do for a design. So I decided to just do a confetti style soap. So I have, that's the cone ice cream. So yeah, I'm just gonna embed them. It's a hot dog, and we'll have confetti style fast food soap. So there's a hamburger that cracks me up. This is getting thicker than I was anticipating. That's okay. And then I have the French fries, which crack me up. I love those. And finally, this one, which is a slight challenge to put together with the straw, but isn't that soft drink adorable? I love it. I don't know, they make me smile. So that is confetti fast food. And I have a couple extra pieces, so I'm just gonna put those in to use up everything. But yeah, it just cracks me up. Like, I don't know, maybe it's just me, maybe it's a little silly, but I think they're adorable and I like them and they make me smile. So we're gonna have a fast food confetti style soap. And then I have to show you my top embellishments. There are certain things I kind of do on a whim. So I see something and I'm just like, that would be fun in soap. Is it a typical soap idea? Is it normal for soap? Can you scent those soaps in like, this is not a fast food smell. This is, I chose Over the Rainbow, or Smell the Rainbow, sorry. So it's basically Skittles. I figured candy, fast food, yeah, you know, it all works. Anyways, let me show you these hamburgers. So I saw this mold for a hamburger and I don't have it on me, otherwise I'd show you, but it just floated my boat at the time, and so I bought it even though it was like, I don't know if I'm really gonna make hamburger soap. But I knew I had the hamburger extruder disc, so I was like, why not? Then when I got it, it's like this layered soap, so it shows you the ruffles of all that. I didn't like how it looked, so I basically just used it to make the bun portion. Then I made each layer. The cheese, the burger, the tomato, the lettuce, and then assembled it. So I had some fun. They're gonna go on here, and then I'll use some, I think, eco-friendly glitter to decorate the top. So yeah, let me go ahead and do that and enjoy. hamburgers. They're so cute. I love them. Here is the inside. It's a fast food. I wish that was a little further down. But, oh my gosh, look at the drink. Isn't that adorable? Oh. These are so cute. I wish the hamburger was further down. It's fine. It's fine. It's still cute. You just know me and my perfectionist tendencies. So it's a little unbalanced, so if those were further down, I'd be happier, but it's still super fun. Ah. Again, I just wish the balance had been a little bit better. But I'll take it. Ah. It's a fun little fast food. So, yeah. I don't know, it makes me smile. I hope it makes you smile. Let me know what you think.